Hi everyone, it's Michelle, the Childcare Entrepreneur, and I want to talk a little bit about handcrafts. Now, handcrafts are a big deal in my home daycare, from the littlest up to the school ager. And handcrafts are crafts that you create using your hands. And the way I came about doing this is when a lot of the school age children would come, and once they were finished their work, they wanted to do some of the things that the little ones were doing. And it wasn't quite appropriate for them. And so I had to come up with some activities and crafts and things. And then we got back into doing handcrafts and actually learning different skills. So a few of the things that we did were learning how to sew using thread, needle, things like that, mending buttons, sewing up holes, things like that. We start real small with socks and then work our way up. We also learned how to create pillows. And so I went and bought the fabric for this pillow and the trim, and we learned how to fill the material to make the pillow, and we've been using that ever since. I actually have it sitting on one of my chairs. And we also learned how to crochet, and this is very popular with my school agers, and you can see they actually finished a scarf that they created using the yarn. And then we went on to get some more yarn so that we can do more projects, and purchase this book, which actually has websites in it, so that, or videos, that they can learn different patterns and things. And another handcraft that we do is the latch hook. And the latch hook, it comes with either I don't know, you can see the colors on here where you use a different color yarn and you create sort of a picture. And this is one that is actually a pillow. So once they finish with the latch hook, they're going to stuff it and then create another pillow. And then this is what it's going to look like. So, and then also I have our tools out here because we also do woodwork. And a lot of the children create things with wood. They take them home, which is great. But we do start out with, these are like the toy tools before we get into the real ones. And then we learn about nuts and bolts, what all the tools are, how to use them. They even created this car here where the nuts and the bolts, the wheels, you can screw them, unscrew them. And so once we learn that, then we're ready to do a little bit of woodworking. And we're also going to try some other handcrafts that I can show you in another video. So this is just a little bit on our handcrafts. And when you have your school children or your younger ones and you're looking for something to do, get back into handcrafts. The children learn to use their hands, they learn to create things, and when they learn to create things on their own, they do have a great appreciation for learning those things, and they can also go home and do it themselves. And so it gives them something to do. You don't want them to have idle hands. Idle hands create trouble, and so we don't want that. And they really love it and they enjoy it. All right.